As stated in West Virginia University's mission statement as a land-grant institution, we are committed to leading the transformation in West Virginia and the world through local, state, and global engagement. Serving our community is one critical way we can display commitment to the mission. iServe is a platform used to track service hours. Many students are familiar with how to track their hours. However, there are no resources that show club and organization leaders how to create these service needs. Creating volunteer opportunities on iServe is an important skill to have in order to transform our communities and help those in need. If you are a club officer that wants to provide more service opportunities, let me show you how to create needs with ease. Unless a previous officer has submitted your organization to iServe, you will need to create an account for your organization. The fastest way to get to the sign-up page is to simply Google how to become an organization on iServe. From there, a link to sign up your organization through iServe will appear. To sign up your organization, iServe will ask you for an abundance of information. When it asks you for an address, it is best to use the address of the Student Engagement Office located in the mountain lair. Organizations can set up a free P.O. box in that room for any mail pertaining to the club. A contact person and their information will also be required, but this, along with any other information, can be changed as officers are reassigned. Once your organization has been approved, you will be able to create volunteer needs. Creating a need looks more time-consuming and difficult than in reality. The first thing you will need to do is click My Organization in the top right corner of your iServe. From here, you will access your organization manager's toolbox. In the toolbox, you will need to select Volunteer Needs and Add New Volunteer Need. You will title and describe your need, and then decide if the need will be public or private. Private needs will only be accessible to people that are given the iServe link. This setting is most often used for club-specific needs or needs only a few people will respond to. Public needs are available to anyone who wants to participate in the volunteer opportunity. For most, if not all iServe needs, you only need to fill in the boxes with the red asterisks. If you are unsure on what any of the boxes are asking for, you can hover your mouse over the yellow question mark to find out. Once you have filled out all of the necessary information, you can click Create Volunteer Need. A friendly reminder that your newly created need will need to be approved by the iServe office. This usually takes 1 to 2 days, and you will know it has been approved once your yellow pending need turns green in your toolbox. Knowing how to create these opportunities is vital for community engagement and promoting the mission of our university. Whether you are a brand new student organization or an organization that has been around for years, having the ability to incorporate service into your organization is a valuable and necessary tool for your success. Remember that you can make a large impact at WVU and inspire others to serve as well. So join me in creating volunteer opportunities for yourself and others to achieve greatness and spread goodness at WVU.